Hey guys, Brady here from Bear Hollow Supply. I have our demo sewing machine cabinet in front of me. This is our Airlift. I'm going to show you how it works. So you're going to press down. If you had your sewing machine here, you'd press down on the machine. I'm going to press down once. That's going to release the latch. That's going to allow me to push down into the cabinet. So press down, it's going to hit the second stop. This would be if you want to keep your sewing machine level with the top of the cabinet. Now, if you wanted to stow this away all the way in the bottom, again, you'd press down. That's going to release the latch, and it's going to allow you to push this all the way down into the bottom. It's going to catch on that bottom latch, and that would be in the stowaway position. If you want to bring it up, you're going to just press down and let it travel up, and that brings it to the top. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.